Shumigire thutha wa mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta kwamura Maritwa kenda meru ndudu-ini yake ya aminister. Mbunge ya bururi ni hitukitie Maritwa maya kenda thutha wa riboti ya kamiti igie wamurani gwikira kirore uigiririku wao. Undu uyu riu ni kuga bururi ni utacokitie ikinya rimwe mbere hari umbi wa thirikari njeru. Kuona ndudu ya aminister no iratigarite kuyurio kiringithanio na honge ingi cia thirikari.
In accordance with the standing orders under your leadership, all the provisions of law in the Constitution, in the Public Appointments Act, in the standing orders were fulfilled, timelines were respected.
Kumururuka kwa abunge na asa kurumirira gutamanio kwa riboti igie uthurimi wa aminister acio. Utigire abunge kiama kia Jubilee na kibarua gia kwaririria riboti ino na muthia-ini kumahitukia othe kwa hamwe.
There are people with the experience, there are with the skills and the technical expertise that is required to move this country forward, and especially in the actualization of the Big Four.
From their CVs, they are men of great repute who have served in various public capacities and have proved themselves capable of actually representing Kenyans and working for them.
We expect service delivery, Mr. Speaker. We expect these ministers, Mr. Speaker, to ensure public resources are used in the most prudent manner, Mr. Speaker. We also expect, Mr. Speaker, public money is properly guarded. We don't want to hear the stories of people withdrawing cash in banks, looting public monies, Mr. Speaker. We also expect all these years, Mr. Speaker, to be fair to all.
No na kuriguo kamiti ino ni hithuritie ati kurari na mateta matiganite megie uigiririku wa Peter Munya. No ria wamuritwo ta minister wa Afrika ya irathiro undu umwe na ambassador Uhuru Kenyatta. Uria nake wamuritwo ta minister wa Labour. No kamiti ino yakinyaniria mateta macio matirakinyanirie ikiro cia kuguithia eri acio.
And I also understand.
Riu Maritwa makenda ya megutumwo kuri mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta. Uria kumakindira na thutha ucio mehitithio kuoya wabici ministry-ini ciao itiganite. Hau kabere mbunge ni hitukirie kuongerera ihinda ria guthurimwo kwa aria mamuritwo ta andiki a karu ministry-ini itiganite. Undu umwe na aria mamuritwo ta mabaruthi ya mabũrũri matiganite kwa ihinda ria thikũ 14. Mũingĩ wa bũrũri riu gukorwo na thikũ 7 kuneana mendekithia mao megie aria mamuritwo iturwa-ini ngũrani cia andiki a karu na mabaruthi mbere ya uthurimi ucio gũtabanio na kamĩtĩ itiganite cia mbunge. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Mwaura wa Gunya.